Hi honey bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my loves, I'm going to show you a very simple, easy tutorial. I'm going to show you guys how I made these adorable little tiny paper clips using these stickers. Now, I know this is going to be such a simple video. Literally, like, this tutorial is going to be super simple. I kind of did not want to make this video because how simple this is. I mean, we can all put this together in no time. And I don't really feel like I need to show you how to put this together. I think anybody can generally just, put two bunnies together and call it a day. But I'm a visual person. So when I do things or when someone gives me directions, I prefer to see them doing the stuff versus me like reading directions, right? So I'm more of a visual person. So because of that reason, I kind of like said to myself, you know what? Regardless of how easy and simple this video is and how quick it's going to be, I'm going to still show you guys how to make this, okay? So just keep in mind that it's probably going to be like a, I don't know, maybe 5-6 minute video. I don't know. I feel like I'm apologizing to making these like adorable little paper clips. I don't know why. I just feel like I'm giving you an apology in advance. Okay, let's get started. So what are you going to need for this video? You're going to need some paper. These are really, I mean, I love these. I got these at the Dollar Tree. They're like rose gold paper clips. I love them. But any paper clip that you have would work, okay? You don't really need these. I'm using, there's like the jumbo size, the medium size. This is more like a smaller version size. I'm using the smaller version of the paper clips. You're going to need some stickers. Now, I made for you guys, I believe it's probably not posted yet. It will be on the next video. If you haven't seen it yet, it will be, it'll be posted soon. But I showed you guys how to make these really adorable little cards. I love them. They're so cute. And I used kind of the same sticker, but these are a little bit more bigger. Okay, so we're going to use the same stickers that we did on this project, but only in a smaller version, which will be these right here. Now, I got this sticker from Target. You can find any sticker that's, Easter related, to be honest with you. It doesn't have to be these. The good thing about this sticker that I like is that you have these little bunnies that are facing both left and right. That is a perfect idea because they're facing left and right, you can kind of put them together and they'll fit perfect. And you see what I mean when I put them together, okay? That's all you need, and you're probably gonna need a little bit of hot glue, and then we're done. That's basically it, okay? Literally, again, like 3 minutes. I'm not even kidding you. Okay, let me put you close to me because this is really tiny. So get your stickers that you're going to use. I'm going to use this pink one. Remember, your stickers have to face left and right. Preferably the same, design, obviously. So I'm going to use this pink sticker, which is the last one from this. We got to find out what, we got to definitely find a project to, use for these bigger bunnies. So anyway, I got the little tiny one here. And then I'm going to pick another one that's obviously the opposite, which is going to be facing that way. So I'm going to use this one. Okay. So what you're going to do is take your little paper clip, and make sure that it's facing the way that you want it to face correctly, okay? And you're going to add your first bunny to your paper clip. So I'm going to add it roughly like that. See? Actually, like that. See there? And then you're going to add a little dab of hot glue right between the paper clip and your bunny. Okay? Not too much, just a little bit. And now we're going to add our second little bunny, trying to line them up as best as possible. I start from the tail And that kind of helps me a lot put these bunnies together, and I really get a nice even look when I do that. See that? And now just squish your bunny together with that glue that we just put, the hot glue in the center, and then just squish your bunny on the side so that it could adhere together well. And it actually will. It would adhere together very, very well. Okay? And that's how you're going to create this adorable little bunny paperclip. Let's do one more together. Okay? Let's pick different colors. Let's pick a yellow one. And let's pick a blue one. Again, both of my bunnies are facing the opposite way. Take your paper clip, add your paper clip to your bunny. Make sure that's how you want your paper clip to look. And then we're going to add a little bit of hot glue. And we're going to add our second bunny, and we're going to smush it together like a sandwich. Getting as perfect as possible. It's going to be hard because obviously it's not going to always be perfect, right? It's not going to line up perfectly, but enough that you're happy with how it looks. I'm very happy with how mine looks. See? There you go. And that's what you're gonna get. I love it because both of the paper clip has a cute little bunny. So I love that idea. And the last thing we're gonna do is we're going to add these mini tiny pom-poms to the tail of the bunny. These are tiny pom-poms. Michael has even tinier ones. I've seen them. I'm about to go and get some of them because I like the little tiny ones. So pick up your pom-poms. Decide which end you want to use, okay? And then you're going to add your pom-poms. You're only going to add your pom-poms on one side of your bunny. I would not recommend you to add it on both sides because that's going to give you a lot of bulk. So when you put this paper clip on a project, it's going to give you a lot of bulk. You don't want that. So I'm going to add my bunny. Let's see. I'm going to use the pink one and I'm going to use the yellow one. For the pink one, I'm going to use this really pretty bright green pom-pom. Add a dab of hot glue and you're going to add it to the tail of your bunny. And then you're going to squish it a little bit to make sure that it stays together and it's well glued. And then I'm going to do the same thing with this one. Okay, squish it. And that's it, guys. That's all you do. That's all you're going to do for these adorable little tiny paper clips. You see how simple these are and how cute they turned out? I just love making these. I love that I'm using the stickers because I'm not going to probably use the stickers in any other project. And I love that I'm using these little mini pom-poms. I just love them. They're so adorable, so cute. Let me put them against like a nice background so that you can see, let's see, a better background, like a white one. See, like that. And this way you have a better idea on how they look. See that? There you go. Look how pretty they look. So Easter inspired, right? In no time. It took us like, what, 3-4 minutes to make this? Again, I talk a lot, so it seems longer, but literally 3 or 4 minutes. Okay, honeys? All right, my loves. I hope you like this video. I hope you create some of these adorable little paper clips. I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for all your wonderful comments, guys. I am overwhelmed with the fantastic comments that you guys have left me in my previous videos, and greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your thumbs up, and I will see you guys on my next video. Okay, have a fantastic weekend, and please be safe out there. Bye.